So I'm selling this little soapstone burner, as you see. It is all handmade, and it is a little elephant, and it's adorable. And you can use it with essential oils. With resin, in the beginning, it was very hard because it burned and smelled, but the problem is trying to clean it. So what I did is, and to make it even smell nicer, is what I did is I took I made these little wax cups, and inside I put Boswellia Fariana resin, and I put Boswellia Fariana essential oil in it also to give it a little bit of a stronger smell. And I took a piece of aluminum foil and I put it on the bottom so that when the wax melts, the resin will still burn, but it'll be extremely easy to clean, because all you do is allow it to cool, because it gets very hot, and you'll allow it to cool, and then you'll just lift it up. You can lift it up, and if the wax gets hard, it's extremely easy to clean the wax out. I'm going to be selling you the entire burner with one of these tea candles with it, teacup candles, and you're going to get 4 of these little guys. So I put 2 in each, and when it's done, you can either ask me how I made it, or you can figure out and make it yourself. I made it with soy wax, and I really think you'll like it. You can actually put 1 in, so you have 4 chances with it. And then you can still use the burner for essential oil, or you can use it for resin. So as long as you do it this way, because otherwise you'll never be able to get the resin out. Check it out on my website. Have a good day. Bye.